Thank you. Ooh. So this is the new face of Jeep Cherokee. And as you can see, we've updated the look and evolved the front end appearance with consistent and authentic Jeep design cues. Sculptured exterior details, rich interior materials elevate Cherokee's premium status. And as you can see, LED projector headlamps now incorporate the signature Cherokee daylight running lamp into a single feature. Now, the rear of the vehicle has been completely redesigned as well, and it features a new lightweight, hands-free power liftgate. And the new LED tail lamps wrap each component in a thin strip of red light. There will be no mistaking which SUV you happen to be following. Now, we've also optimized its performance, fuel efficiency, and capability. We will offer an all-new 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder petrol and the upgraded 2.2-liter turbocharged diesel engine. And both are equipped with start-stop technology that are mated to our highly efficient 9-speed transmission, which is now calibrated for a sportier experience and more premium on-road manners. Now, the new Cherokee includes more than 70 advanced safety and security features, such as active forward collision warning and pedestrian emergency braking. Now, our new Cherokee brings Jeep's leading off-road capability, which is better than mine, to global markets. And it is now coupled with a fuel-efficient, stylish, and technologically advanced package. But, you know, we wouldn't be here today without the vehicle that started it all, and that is the Jeep Wrangler. It's inspired by the original Willys from 1941. The Jeep Wrangler made its first appearance as a civilian vehicle in 1945, and since then, more than 5 million models have been sold. There are only a few vehicles that are instantly recognizable around the world, vehicles that can be truly called true icons, and this is one of them. So ladies and gentlemen, the all-new Jeep Wrangler Sahara. Thank you. Thank you. Well, they say beauty is in the eye of the beholder, and this is what gorgeous looks like to someone who's facing uncharted terrain. With its 7-slot Keystone grille, its exclusive foldable, windshield, and removable doors, the design is modern, yet I'm sure you will agree it's unmistakable. Now, open-air freedom is something our owners demand, and the new Wrangler offers plenty of options, including the all-new power-top canvas roof, which fully retracts at speeds of almost 100 kilometers per hour. Rugged on the outside and sophisticated and quiet on the inside, from the new pinch and zoom screen to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Now, the Wrangler has matured and offers discerning European customers the features and the technologies that they need. Technology also brings heightened levels of safety and security. The new Wrangler offers a broad array of active and passive safety features, and we've also redesigned the suspension and steering package to provide a more comfort, maneuverability, and ride control. The new Wrangler will offer a 2.2-liter turbo diesel and a state-of-the-art 2-liter petrol engine, which is mated with an 8-speed automatic transmission, delivering power, capability, and fuel efficiency. Now, these new powertrains will improve Wrangler's fuel consumption and CO2 emissions by more than 15%. And we're also future-proofing this Wrangler for generations to come with a plug-in hybrid, which will be available in market in 2020. Now, our Wrangler Sahara and Sport models expand the appeal of the Wrangler well beyond the traditional off-road customers. Now, these models fit any lifestyle and enable everyday adventures in the city or indeed at the trail. It's your choice. And for those seeking the thrill of the ultimate trail and the most extreme interpretation of capability, we also have what you're looking for. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to introduce the all-new Jeep Wrangler Rubicon. Now, with benchmark approach, breakover, and departure angles, Rubicon's uncompromised capability comes with a choice of full-time 4x4 management torque systems, command track and ROP track. Now, the Rubicon features a 4:1 low-range crawl ratio and high-performance mud terrain tires, meaning that the trail is any place you choose to point that 7-slot grille. And this is just the beginning. With an impressive list of off-road features, such as live lockable front and rear axles and a disconnecting front sway bar, the new Rubicon is the most capable production 4x4 vehicle in the market. Now, in summary, the Jeep Wrangler offers more capability, more technology, and more on-road performance, coupled with significantly improved fuel efficiency. In fact, the only thing that Wrangler has lost is weight. So, from high performance capability to extreme off-road capability, the Jeep portfolio continues to expand, fueling our global growth. And here in Europe, for example, thanks in part to the success of the all-new Compass, our sales have increased by more than 40% during the first 2 months of this year. Now, as you can see in Geneva, as you look around, virtually every manufacturer has jumped onto the SUV bandwagon, and I think that's understandable. It's clearly a hot market. But while many automakers borrow such words as capability, authenticity, and passion and use them as marketing tools, the Jeep brand embodies those words. They've been part of our core DNA for over 75 years, and this is who we are, and this is what we do. I'd like to thank you for your time today. Thank you.
Lost inside a dream. Maybe I am falling, maybe I am flying, but I know if I am crying, she's holding me. And then the sky broke up, and then the rain came down, and it washed away everything on the ground. Wash it away, wash it away, wash it away. Baby's got that bottle filled with lightning and rain. He keeps calling.